Now, if you've already taken geometry, this is going to be a little bit of a review for you. But if we have two lines that have the exact same slope, they are parallel to each other. So that might be these two lines. They're parallel, they're going in the same direction, they're just off by a little bit. If we have two lines that are perpendicular, they would have opposite reciprocal slopes, which means that each slope is being flipped and the sign is being switched. So in this first problem, in this first equation, we have a slope of 1/2, 1 over 2. In this second equation, we have a slope of -2, which is the same thing as -2 over 1. So notice the fractions got flipped and the signs got switched. This one went from positive to negative. So that's what an opposite reciprocal is. You're switching the sign and flipping the fraction. So if that's happening to your slopes, that means your two lines are perpendicular. In this example, I'm going to give you a point and a line, and we need to write the equation of a line that's either parallel to it or perpendicular, depending on what the problem says. In this situation, we're going to figure out the slope of the original line, and then if we're looking for a parallel line, we're going to use that slope. If we're looking for a perpendicular line, we're going to use the opposite reciprocal. Then we're going to use that slope and the other point that we were given to write our new equation in point-slope form. So, write an equation of a line through 3, 7 that is parallel, ooh, that's nice, parallel, and one that's perpendicular to y equals 3 over 4x minus 5. So, the original slope is this number that's attached to the x here, because this is in slope-intercept form. This is our slope. So slope here is 3 over 4. Now, if we're writing the parallel line, we need to use this slope, because remember, if it's a parallel line, the slopes are the exact same. So we're going to use this slope, 3/4, and the point that I gave you, 3, 7. So we've got y minus our y value equals the slope times x minus our x value. This is in point-slope form, and we're done. Now, if we want to find the perpendicular line, we need to find a new slope. Perpendicular. So this was our original slope. Remember, for perpendicular, we need to flip the fraction and switch the sign. It started off positive, so now we're going to have negative. And then the fraction started off with 3 over 4, so now we're going to put 4 over 3. So this is our new slope for the line that's perpendicular to the original one. And again, we're going to use this point that we were given and write our equation. So we have y minus our y value equals our new slope times x minus our x value. That's the equation of the line that is perpendicular and goes through 3, 7.